Hi, welcome to Forex in 4. I'm Mike Conlon for FXEDU, and in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you the highlights of where the action is in today's Forex market. So let's get started. Good morning. Today is Monday, May 3rd, 2010. This morning we're talking about what a mess. I'm referring specifically to this oil spill that we've seen in the Gulf here off of the U.S. Looks like there's a big problem with oil. Oil prices are higher this morning as a result of this. Never put it past traders to use a problem like this to go ahead and drive prices. Also contributing to higher oil prices are some of the PMI, that's Purchasing Managers Indexes, coming in from around the globe. These are typically higher, which is showing that economic recovery may be taking place, and as such there is a demand for oil. So we're seeing commodity currencies higher, a bit of risk taking. Now what we're looking at here is we're looking at a quick chart on the daily of the Aussie versus US dollar. Australia's coming out with their interest rate decision tomorrow. Home prices were higher, they rose much faster than expected, and the market's expecting the Reserve Bank of Australia to raise rates to 4.5% for the, I think it's the 6th time in 7 meetings or something like that. So we're looking for Aussie to trade higher, provided we don't get any further risk in the markets. As you can see here, we're probably going to retest the highs here at 93.86, 94 wouldn't be out of the question. We've got, looks like an upward sloping stochastic here, which if you're a technical guy, that could show you that the Aussie's set to go higher. Some of the other news coming out, it looks like they finally agreed on some sort of a bailout here for Greece. Take a quick peek at the euro. The euro is lower because now there's uncertainty over whether or not this is actually going to be agreed to by the other EU regions. Now, I don't know exactly why they wouldn't agree to this, but basically the final figure comes to about 110 billion euros, and they're hoping that this is going to keep contagion from happening to the rest of Euro and the PIGS areas. Problem is that the austerity measures that have been imposed upon Greece are not popular in Greece, obviously, so there's going to be some strikes. Strikes in Greece actually mean riots, so we'll see what happens there. But there's some question of whether or not this is going to be accepted. Now, in addition, the ECB has agreed to accept Greek bonds as collateral, all right, regardless of what the ratings agencies have done. So, there's been some problems with the upgrades and the downgrades, and it raises the cost of borrowing. ECB said, you know what, we're going to take the paper regardless, so that's a good thing. There's going to be a meeting on Friday to see if whether or not they are going to agree and accept this package. So that's what's happening with the euro. We've got the loonie a bit higher. Take a quick peek here. Loonie's higher today. We could see retest the parity level with USD. Oil prices are higher again on this PMI number, as well as this Gulf oil spill. So that's what's happening there. We've got the UK elections on tap for Thursday. Expected to trade sideways. But once we get past this, I imagine we're going to see a higher pound, provided nothing happens here with the risk themes that we talk about. And then lastly, let's take a quick look at the daily here, US dollar versus yen. I expect us to break through the highs here, head up towards the 95, 96 level. No news for the out of Japan this week, but expect yen to trade on these risk themes. So we're going to get the rate hike tomorrow in Australia. We've had some dollar strength here today, based on against all but the commodity currencies, based on the personal consumption numbers, as consumer spending was higher, although personal incomes were lagging a bit, but this Friday we're going to get the non-farm payrolls report, which is going to be a good gauge of what's going on with job growth in this country. And right now, that's what it's all about here. It's jobs, jobs, jobs. So that's what's happening this week. So watch out for the risk themes. We're going to get the election in the UK here on Thursday, and I believe over the weekend we're going to get a German election. But by that time, this Greek thing should be sorted out. So that's what we've got for today. Good trading to all. As always, be sure to check out the written blog at www.fxedu.com to get complete coverage of today's Forex market. If you would like to learn more about how to trade the Forex market from professionals like myself, be sure to check out our affordable Forex trading courses. And if you're already a seasoned professional or aspire to be one, ask us how we can help you achieve your Forex goals. Go to www.fxedu.com to get started today.